Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not playing videos automatically on your iPhone. So we all love watching reels on Instagram in our leisure time. But what if these videos are not auto-played? It obviously get frustrating. So let's fix Instagram not playing videos automatically on iPhone. So the first step is you have to fix your internet connection. Instagram video streaming needs a reliable internet connection so that feed can load. Try switching between cellular data and Wi-Fi. So if your Wi-Fi is not working, you can just simply turn off the Wi-Fi and switch to data. Or if you're using data, you can switch to Wi-Fi. So once you have done this, once you have good internet connection and the video are still not playing auto, then just swipe up and force close the Instagram app, then relaunch it and check if the videos are playing automatically. So if you still have this problem, then the next step is you have to go to App Store and then search for Instagram and see if there is the update any available. So if there is any update, then simply update your Instagram app. It can be the problem with the update. So once you have done this, then the next step is you have to grant permission to Instagram. Then simply go to settings, scroll down and find the Instagram app and make sure that you allow contacts and background app refresh and mobile data. So once you've done this and if it's still not working, then the next step is you have to turn off low power mode. So if you are using low power mode on your iPhone, go to battery and turn off the low power mode. After this, now the next step is you have to offload and reinstall the app. Click on settings, then click on general, click on iPhone storage, find the Instagram app, click on it, click on offload app. You won't be logged out or lose any of your Instagram documents. Then click on reinstall the app and go back to home screen. Once the app is reinstalled completely, your problem will be solved. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.